Hi there, and welcome to this wonderful community of learners who are brave enough to learn Russian. I'm Anya, and I'm here to help you. So, if you're stuck, feel down, or unmotivated, come here, ask your question right here about any nuances of the Russian grammar, vocabulary, and so on, and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions right here in this channel. Let's stay in touch. So, today's question comes from my beginner student who had difficulty to translate English sentences containing pronoun it into the Russian language. For example, it was wonderful, it's nice, it's cold. His question was when to say это and when not to say это. So I suggest we'll just nail it down once and for all. Let's look at situation number 1. I like this book. It is very interesting. By saying it here, what do you really mean? You really mean the book, right? Therefore, it in this case is a pronoun. Now you know that replacing a noun with a pronoun in Russian, we need to use a personal pronoun. Он, она, оно, according to the gender. So in this sentence, we have the book that is interesting. The book in the Russian language is a feminine noun, so I'll replace it with the pronoun она. Она очень интересна. Alright, let's look at situation number 2. It's winter, it's cold today. Again, we have this pronoun it, and do we say it or we don't say it here? In these examples, the pronoun it has no antecedent. What does it really mean, it, in this sentence? Just think about it. It's cold. Right, it has no meaning, it's just a formal subject in the English language. I like to call it the phantom of the English grammar. So, in Russian, I will not use the word это. And the sentence in Russian will be Зима, сегодня холодно. Situation number 3. Do you see a woman there? It's my wife. Here, it can be replaced with that, meaning the noun, something that has been mentioned before. That's my wife. So, it in this case has antecedent. In Russian, the translation will be «Ты видишь женщину?» Это моя жена. I hope this was helpful, and I'm looking forward to more questions from you. See you!